Okay, so in this one, I think what I'll do is I'll just clean up what I don't need. I don't need. I can maybe leave the area, or no. Nah, we'll just get rid of all that. We just need population. Don't need this, and we don't need this. Estimate. Maybe we won't even need actual. Yeah, we already have the cities, right? We don't need none of that. This is what we need. Okay, I think. Let's make sure everything is good. Okay. I wanna, let's see, review results. Let's try this. I think it should just pop up. Just Excel sheet. All right, and actually, okay, I was wondering if it's gonna show me just the, let's see, revenue, okay. Okay, it's actually showing me all the tables. I mean, all the columns, I think. No, that's the old one. That's not what I need. Oh, I should actually compare it. Oh, whatever, I suppose. At this point, I cancel it out. Okay. Okay, so this is what I get. What is it? Okay. I think I'll leave that at here. Just leave it as a own little quick video. And yeah, on to the next one.